Hare Krishna. I'm going to tell about what may be the largest number of people who ever chanted Hare Krishna together. It happened in 1968 in Manchester in a football stadium. Soccer is generally called football in England. And well, you may have heard of George Best, or more recently of David Beckham, who are famous football players. But anyway, getting back to 1968, during the halftime, the stadium would play the most popular top 20 songs that were, at that time, the most popular songs. And they play them over the speaker system, very loud in the stadium. And because the Hare Krishna mantra has only 3 words, many of the football fans, I mean, maybe all of them, and many of them were drunk or high or something like that, they chanted Hare Krishna. And they chanted along with the record because the record was their teacher. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare. To think that 70,000 drunken Manchester football fans were chanting Hare Krishna, it really happened. That was what was the height of the popularity of the Hare Krishna mantra in England. And ever since then, we've had the Hare Krishnas have enjoyed a very good reputation in England.